Oh, hui. Oh, hui. Oh, hui.
Ngồi mà hi sẽ ta bằng ra này.
Korean now chia bang bu ushung. It's gonna be tasty. You think that it's gonna be tasty?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Hello guys, welcome back. Ito journey ekta shuru kar jaya ase. Jokun to anian dikhi laga. Tum kya sa loi kina mohan jaya ase. Nodi le jaya ase. So my brother, the driver Mr. Ong. Hoy, the journey began to river. Now kore kina. Like a lot truck so kan, nya kan a lot play dibo. Ina kona. All time jawo gane. And then jaya ase guna jana dia. Thank you all the friends. 1, 2. It will be. Oh, come on. I hope you are not exhausted.
We just started.
This is like a viewpoint. Climbing up to the mountain. This is view. So that's the sports meet develop. Sabole dishe. And after that, this is viewpoint out here. One. Woo! Another goal scored! Hey!
Same team?
Yeah, same team. See, they are celebrating. Hey. Say thank you. Very good. Anh em mới đang cứu kia. Rất là mà chứ. Mà chứ sông lòng tông slowly, you can hold the trees. The branches, yeah. It will be a support for you. Just go ahead. Hello. Good morning. Do you want this? What is your name? Huh?
My name is Diane.
Oh, friends. Oh, go with ma'am together. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Go ahead. Yeah. I think you guys can climb, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, you guys do good. Very smart. Wow, so smart. Yeah, keep going. Wow, all the friends, the team members is on the line right now. So, Welcome to Tizit Village. It's too slippery.
I can't walk at the same time.
Hey. Woo. Welcome to Tizit Village. Wow, hello. Hi, look at me. What is your name? Manmulaman? Say hi, yeah. Oh, right now we are on the spot.
Helipad sport.
Yeah, helipad spot. What is your name? Huh? Mawang. Very good, yeah, very smart. Oh, orange. Do you have orange?
Give them.
Can I get one orange, yeah, guys?
Yeah, sure.
Please.
You can take.
You can take nariyal from this. Yeah, take it. 3-4 pieces. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Enjoy, okay, guys?
Okay.
Thank you. That's the sports mate, is it? Dun. So, guys, we are moving out from helipad right now. Helipad to Tishe, which in a view all of the ideas. And after that, we gonna move out to jungle just to spend the time out there and I'll be back home. So, I hope you are enjoying, ma'am.
Yeah.
We reach out to a riverside right now, so we're gonna fight all the rations and everything. This is camp. Outpost is there. So there.
This is our headquarters. He's the one actually who is supporting the river.
Oh, really?
He's the one.
Oh, the side, go the side. Yeah. I think your chapel is too slippery. So better come slowly, okay? Wow. Come on. Mom.
Watch where you're going.
It's slippery, okay?
Yeah.
You hold the stone and go because it's too slippery. Oh my God! I have a shoe, so how can I cross this? Finally, we reach out to the spot right now. So don't need to bother. Enjoy going to the masti bro. Joy chulai lo ase. Pura team khan. Hi. Happy New Year so manuge. Log paina khushi bhai ase. Yes ma'am. Here for jungle. This is your cup.
Oh.
They make for you, okay?
Oh, thank
So
you.
whole day you can like have a drink, water, tea,
Awesome.
anything with this, okay?
Very nice. So
This is
fresh.
natural cup. We do. Yes.
Awesome.
You keep it safe.
Thank you, Mong Mai Ke.
Da-da-da-dam.
Oh gosh. It's so
You
slippery.
you hold out there. It's slippery, okay? Don't give too much of pressure out there. You just hold. Yeah. Much better. Wow. Oh. Got it. Whoa, you did it. Hey, this one too. This one. You take out this one. Slowly. Oh, it's run away. That's fine. This one. See. Oh, the other one. Yeah. Hold it tight. Got it? It's stuck in the middle here. Oh. Got it. Yeah. Fishing. Still now.
Look.
Oh. Chalo. Thank you so much. Thank you. We had a great time, man. Got a lot of fish out here. Got it. So, ow. This is another fish. We got it. Wow. Hey, chokri. Must take out today. More. Woo! I got that much in my bag, so down 4 to 5 kgs. Sorry. Guys, sabji pakawo and other. This is what friend and about coal pool, coal gas is here, fish. We got a lot today. I think it's a lack of man those who are visiting to us for how only we are here today. Let's see. Wow, this is fish that we got in. You can capture this, yeah. Yeah, parsley. Arji lagana. Korean now siya bang bu usyung. This is a fish that we got.
I think we caught like 1,000 fish at least.
Oh, we got a lot, yeah. See, we can have with this.
There's some of the green leaf that we are going to cook with this. Very simple, but it's gonna be tasty for us.
Video. Exam hogan dapat kuro no koi phalu.
Just taste.
Siko sa le. Aton sun kunde na. Sup to hingbu ko chimai ya. Ngong chu da su da.
Look at the machete skills. Wow. This is master chef right here in the jungle.
Tingai.
Make it here. Serious itu. Sop ayo kau jaga lagi. Kau itu sih. Icim tarahannya. Huzi ya.
Wow. Just put the salt. It's gonna bring out so much juice.
Aja, kiba bang setengah koi. Where is bang setengah, guys? Cry, give me cry. Show.
What's going on there?
Show ya, show. Show mana jauh?
The Chong is very professional.
Không mà biết là sao đâu.
Hello, sao
Lẽ. Luôn này mới
Nice.
Wow.
Wow.
Very tasty.
Oh my god. It's gonna be tasty. You think that it's gonna be tasty?
Yeah, I'm so excited. It looks so good.
Okay.
I was fine catching the fish.
Okay.
Yeah. And it's nice looking at you guys cook.
This is soup. We are making for soup. And this is curry.
Those are curry.
Yeah, both of them are curry because it don't have space. It don't have space. The bottle is too small, so we make curry with this. One curry is down. Woo! No koi place. Edo hugu.
This, what about this?
Wow. Tasty. Hey, I have soup. You have a seat. Yeah.
Wow. It's a highlight. The bamboo fish. Wow. You gotta get every little bit. Whoa!
This is for Jasmine.
Wow.
A special gift from
That
Canadians.
looks so good.
From Jasmine for Jasmine.
Yummy.
That's gonna be. Canadians enjoying with Sunny Jasmine, the Korean lady. We are having a party in the jungle right now. How's it? The taste about this?
Delicious.
Really?
The best fish ever.
Dun,
I have no time to comment on your videos also.
Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for you guys' precious time. Feeling so funny after hearing that, right? Woo! Come to me there. Come on. Have it. Let me. Wow. Try it once again. Eat with hand. Is it good? Yeah. Thank you.